मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया। देखो मैं पापा बन गया, सोचो मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया। पापा मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया। देखो मैं पापा बन गया, सोचो मैं पापा बन गया। सोनू मोनू की खातिर मैं घोड़ा बन जाऊंगा, तारों से बहलाऊंगा, बागों में टहलाऊंगा, मैं उंगली थाम के उसकी उसे चलना सिखलाऊंगा। पापा मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया। देखो मैं पापा बन गया, हाँ मैं पापा बन गया। पापा मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया।
Even though we can pay electricity bill, water bill, but that doesn't mean that we overuse it, right? Use gas wisely. You know, that's the objective of doing Prithvi Pujana. Okay? Now we'll do Chandan Dharana. So I will just
Oh shit, change this away. I can push that could be the name.
Om Chandanasya Mahatpunyam Aapadam Harte Nityam Lakshmi Tishtati Sarvada.
That's good deed thing.
Om Chandanasya Mahatpunyam Pavitram Papanashanam Aapadam Harte Nityam Lakshmi Tishtati Sarvada. So why we put this red on forehead? Because Chandan has a calmness. Chandan is a sandalwood basically. So it has calmness in it. So similarly, all our thoughts come from here. So you should not become, we have a tendency of getting angry very quickly, right? So this should be calm and quiet. That's why Chandan Dhara. That's why, so it's a reminder. So every morning in our, Hinduism, every morning we get up, we do basic things, we do small puja, we will put tilak, so it's just a reminder, because every day when we remind it, okay, I need to have cool mind, I need to use my body, for right reasons, right? So, and after doing all this little bit of small rituals, we do, and then we move out of our house, and my whole day is going really good actually. I know how to deal with my boss, I know how to deal with my friends or in-laws or mother-in-law or your family members, husband, wife, everybody actually, right? So cool mind is very important. So that's why we do Chandan Dhara. Now we'll do red. So you tie to each other, okay? So you tie on her left hand and you do it on his right. Om Rati Radika Mahatmoti Disha Apnoti Dakshina Dakshina Shadya Apnoti Shadya Satyam Apyate. Om Rati Radika Mahatmoti Disha Apnoti Dakshina Dakshina Shadya Apnoti Shadya Satyam Apyate. Satya Satyam Apyate. Right? Yeah.
Oh, right.
Right. Yeah, yours is right. Hers is left.
Oh.
No, hers is, yours is right. Yeah, yours is right.
Oh.
So why we do Raksha Sutram? It's like a pledge. You're taking in front of God. So wherever good things happen, it's like a reminder again that wherever we go, we should always remember that we have taken a pledge that all good things, whether it's volunteering, whether you can help somebody with money, it's like a reminder you need to take in Raksha. And also at the same time, it's also kind of protects you, divinity protection. Like luckily, think about it, we're all of us very lucky I would say that health-wise, wealth-wise, everything God has given us. I mean, look around in this whole world, in today's world, people are going through so much misery, right? So we should be thankful that what we have is really good. We should be, we need to have good attitude. That, so don't take it for granted everything. Right? So next is we'll do Kalash Pujana. So in our Hindu religion, we always have Kalash. So in our Hindu culture, we always have Kalash. Kalash is a representation of Brahman, that is all universe. So today we are inviting all those godly energies to here. Actually, in this, it is a representation. We are inviting, whomsoever God you believe in. Right? Some people believe in Ram, Lakshman, Sita, whomsoever you believe in. So we are inviting all those energies here to bless this okay? And Ashish. Both of you. So हम सभी कलश की प्रार्थना करेंगे. So हाथ जोड़ेंगे सभी. ओम कलशस्य मुखे विष्णु कंठे रुद्र समाश्रितः मूले त्वसितो ब्रह्मा मध्ये मास्मृता स्मृताः कोक्षौ तु सागरा सर्वे सप्तद्वीपा वसुन्धरा ऋग्वेदोदय यजुर्वेदः सामवेदो अथर्वणः अंगैश्च सहिता सर्वे कलशन्तु समाश्रिताः अत्र गायत्री सावित्री शान्ति पुष्टिकरी सदा त्वयि तिष्ठन्ति भूतानि त्वयि प्राणाः प्रतिष्ठिताः शिवा स्वयं त्वमेवासि विष्णु स्वं च प्रजापतिः आदित्या वसुः रुद्रा विश्वे देवाः सपैतृकाः त्वयि तिष्ठन्ति सर्वे अपि यतः कामफलप्रदाः तत्प्रसादादिमं यज्ञं कर्तुमीहे जलोद्भव सान्निध्यं कुरु मे देव प्रसन्नो भव सर्वदा प्रसन्नो भव सर्वदा. So now, after we invited all those godly energies in Kalash, now here we respected them. We said thank you for all coming here. Now we'll be doing Deepak ki puja karenge. So like how you did Kalash puja, you do exactly the same thing. But don't put anything on the fire. Just okay. So you can call this one. Om Agnir Jyotir Jyotiragnih Swaha Surya Jyotir Jyotir Surya Swaha Agnir Varcho Jyotir Varcha Swaha Surya Varcho Jyotir Varcha Swaha Agnir Jyotir Surya Jyotir Swaha. So why we do Deepak puja? Now you can see. Some sweet also. So why we do Deepak puja? Because it is a representation of light, knowledge. Because if there is no knowledge, then we cannot live in this world, right? So that is why Deep is very important. It's just a representation. We should always keep learning in our life. Okay? That light of knowledge should always be enlightened within us, so that we can walk on the righteous path. Now that now we will be invoking some energies. So the first energy which we are going to invoke is Guru's energy. Okay. So in our life we all have three Gurus. One is so first Guru is our parents, who teach us how to grow. Basically, they give all love and affection. Second Guru is our school teachers, college teachers. Basically, they help us, eventually become professional and make living. And third Guru is somebody who actually teaches us how to live life. Because also all these three are very important. Okay, so we'll be invoking that spiritual Guru's energy. Now it depends up to you, whomsoever you can believe in, Rama, Krishna, or Sai Baba. आपको जिसमें भी श्रद्धा है, whomsoever you believe in, Guru is not considered by a human, physical form. It is all actually spiritual form. Okay, so there is no actually so-called physical foundation on Guru who actually teaches you how to live life. Okay, so I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so हम सबसे पहले गुरु की पूजा करेंगे. So what you will do is, again you'll put a flower, and like what you do everything else, just put everything in this plate actually. यहाँ पर धीरे से small यहाँ. And so we'll all say Guru. But Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah Akhanda Mangalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah Matravat Lali Tricha Pitravat Margadashika Namostu Guru Sattaye Prasya Shuddhaye Kachaya Om Shri Guruve Namah Avahayami Sthapayami Dhyayami. Now we'll invoke Ma Gayatri's energy. Om Ayatu Vade Devi Trakshave Brahmavadini Gayatri Chandasamata Brahmayodir Namostute. Om Shri Gayatri Namah Avahayami Sthapayami Dhyayami Gandhakshatam Pushpam Dhupam Deepam Naivedyam Samarpayami. Now, next is Ganesh Bhagwan Ji ko. So, आप गणेश भगवान जी को भी flower, whichever is your preference, you can put it. ओम अभिप सिद्धार्थ सिद्धार्थ पूजितो यः सुरासुरैः सर्व विघ्न हरस्तस्मै गणाधिपतये नमः. सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते. शुक्लांबरधरं देवं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु नास्ति तेषां मङ्गलं येषां हरिस्तमः मृतः पृथिव्यैरसाच्च विश्वकर्णमः समवृत्ताग्रे तस्य त्वष्टा विदधुप्रमेति तन्मर्तस्य देवत्माजानमग्रे. भावना करें औषधियों के श्रेष्ठ गुण और संस्कार खींचे जा रहे हैं. मीनिंग that when we are inhaling, that all good characteristics of this herbs is coming in your body. Okay, so that's the ritual basis. So you can leave it on the thing here now, and you can later on take it to home also. Now next is Garbha Pujan. So what we'll do is everybody over here, actually except you. Okay. So everybody, please hold still. You also. Everybody should come here. So what we are doing here is Garbha Pujan, that we are actually, the objective is to create an environment of positivity in the house. So not only it's your responsibility, but it's the responsibility of yours and everybody in the family, right? So, please, everybody. So after I'm doing mantra is done, we'll put this in this plate, and this plate you have to touch to your stomach. Okay. So after mantra. So the objective is भावना ये है कि गर्भस्थ शिशु को सद्भाव और देव अनुग्रह का लाभ देने के लिए पूजन किया जा रहा है. That means let me try to translate this for you both of you. That so the baby which is going to be born, so we are trying to give good values, good character, because that is very important. Good subhav. Subhav means good character ho. And at the same time blessings from the universe is coming to you for your baby. Okay. So after I'm done with the mantras, we'll collect it in this plate, and then you're going to touch it to your stomach. Om Suparnosi Gurutma Mastri Vrate Shiro Gayatram Chaturbraha Santare Paksho Stom Atma Chandagvam Syangagni यजुंवंशिनां सां ते तनुर्वां देव्यं यज्ञयज्ञियं पुष्यं धिषण्याः शफाः सुपर्णोऽसि गुरुत्मान् दिवं गच्छ स्वः पत. Now we'll all be saying, while we're collecting this, we'll be saying Gayatri. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavitdurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavitdurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. So now you're touching it and thinking that the child which is going to be born should have good character, अच्छे स्वभाव का हो, अच्छा प्राणी बने, right? चाहे लड़का हो, it doesn't matter whether it's a boy or a girl. So whomsoever should be healthy with good thoughts. Like, you know, in olden days, if you think about it, like Rama, Lakshman, all their mothers, they were very pious. So all good kids come out of only pious mothers, you know. So it is very important actually what you think right now, what you do, it will actually, everything will go to your baby. So no negative thinking, no fighting, no nothing. Not just you, but at the same time it's for you and everybody around you. I know we all get irritated, we get, you know, it's not easy, it's a very big responsibility because you're bringing this child to this earth. And it's like giving child to this samaj ko bhi dena. It's like society, because we're all part of this society only. Because our parents gave us good values, so we are able to create good life, right? We don't have at least those negativity like others have. Similarly, how we got it? Because our parents did that for us. Now it is now your it's a big responsibility. Don't be scared, but we're all here with you. Okay? Now you can put it here. Now, the next ritual which we do is Ashwasthan. No, अभी आप लोग यहीं पर रहिए. Okay. So Ashwasthan means assurance. So first assurance you are giving to yourself and to your baby as a mother that I will do the best I can for my baby. So what you'll do is you'll put your hand on your stomach. Now you will be giving him her assurance, right? So you put your hand on her shoulder. Now everybody will be giving assurance that she is not alone at this time, because it is very important, right? So everybody raise our hands like we are giving assurance to her. Okay? Om yatte sushime hriday hitmantah prajapato manyeham mam tvadi dasam maham patra madhyanyam yam. So this is the assurance we are all giving her to Dhaniji, that you're not alone. No matter what happens, we are there with you. Okay? All the time. Yes, all the time. Right? So don't be afraid. You know, it's because you're not alone in this journey. It's the whole society is with you. Right? Okay. So now after this, now we'll do 24 times Gayatri Mantra. Okay? So let's do that. Okay. So we'll all be doing 24 times Gayatri Mantra. And actually a lot of times people ask, you know, so it's called mother of all mantras. Even if you don't do anything else, it's fine. But if you do one mantra, the way rishis, you know, all our saints, they wrote this. It's like a formula, I would say, you know, in simple terms, because you guys don't understand it. So I will say in this way, pattern, that it is a formula. The vibrations created in any of these mantras, the way they made it, it actually affects our whole body and mind. It's like this, you know, if you listen to any dance song or music, even if it has no words in it, people start dancing because of the vibration, right? There is no words to it, but you just dance it. If it's a sad music, you start crying. What is it? It's just vibration. If I say something good, oh, you're looking beautiful. Why you like it? Because I created positive vibration, right? So similarly, these mantras were created with a very powerful, I would say it's a potent mantra. So no matter even if you're feeling, you know, down, you know, every day is not the same day, we all go through that, you know, just do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and it will change your thought process. Because our whole body works with thought. if our thoughts are good, our actions are good. But we all go through good times and bad times. So when the bad time comes, just remind yourself, no, I have to do this. So when you do it, automatically you see in 5-10 minutes, you will change your thought process. It will become active. You know, like we all go through mood swings. Gussa aata hai, kabhi kuch hota hai, right? We all go through all that. So this actually helps. So our rishis knew how to deal with on a daily basis. So they created all these formulas. Say, okay, you do it every day, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, every day in the morning. That's how in our Hindu ritual say, first thing in the morning, get up, take shower, do first puja. Puja is nothing but it's just meditating, thinking, okay, I'm going to start my day first. How am I going to go through the rest of my day today, right? So I just do that and my day goes really well. Now things happen every day, something will happen at work, whatever, you come home, again you sit for 5-10 minutes, you relax yourself. And again you take out of that, negativity in your mind. Again you next day start. So with that in mind, so we'll all create positivity in our mind. With that we'll do 24 times. And so Gayatri Mantra, after we say Gayatri Mantra, then we'll say Swaha. And then we'll say Idam Gayatri, Idam Namam. That means nothing is mine, it's all yours. Because whatever we have today, all things. Do you think we know we worked hard, we made money? No. It is actually coming from society and we're giving back to society. So with that in mind, we'll say Gayatri Mantra 24 times. Okay? We'll always do it all together. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha Idam Gayatri Idam Namam Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha Idam Gayatri Idam Namama Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha Idam Gayatri Idam Namama Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha Idam Gayatri Idam Namama Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha Idam Gayatri Idam Namama Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha Idam Gayatri Idam Namama Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha Idam Gayatri Idam Namama Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha Idam Gayatri Idam Namama Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha Idam Gayatri Idam Namama Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
प्रणयनि प्रणव महामहिमे यद्यपि कुटिल कपटी कपूत तो बालक है तेरे स्नेह कनी करुणामयी माता चरण शरण दीजे बिलख रहे हम शिष्य सुत तेरे दया दृष्टि कीजे काम क्रोध मद लोभ दाम मधुर भाव द्वेष हरिये शुद्ध बुद्धि निष्पाप हृदय मन को पवित्र करिए तुम समर्थ सब भांति तारिणी तुष्टि पुष्टि त्राता सतमार्ग पर हमें चलाओ जो है सुखदाता जयति जय गायत्री माता जयति जय गायत्री माता जयति जय गायत्री माता सतमार्ग पर हमें चलाओ जो है सुखदाता जयति जय गायत्री माता
You have to do it again now. No, you have to do it again here. बेटा मारो तो फोटो पाड़े नहीं आकाश come on do it again.
Did you want to get a picture of them?
That's it. I did something. Yes. इसको भी आपको एक प्रसाद and this is और ये सब
वो पहली ओढ़नी पहनवानी मारे ना चाल से बात करें
Why did it stop recording? Why did it stop recording? Yeah. That's how they go.
I don't want to call the pictures. आकाश तो आकाश ने बहुत અને અનીશને પોતે આકાશ લાઈન આગળ કરો બીટ કાઢના મારો નીકળે છે અહીંયાથી પકડી હા બસ તારે છે ને ઇનફ અને તું જો સાફ બરોબર ને પછી બધું ને તારે ઊભો થઈ બધું આમ ધીરે ધીરે રાખી ગઈ એટલે દાણું પડવાનું ઓકે ઓકે આઈ નો સુપરી થોડી નાની છે લાઈક તો બધું ચલાડો પાઉલી પેલી ટ્રે છે ને ટ્રે આપો નીચે ના પડવું જોઈએ તમે લોકો કરો ને કે પછી મૂકે ને તો સેજી નીચે ના પડવું જોઈએ ઓકે So much pressure.
You can't zoom out, right?
હમણાં નહીં, હમણાં નહીં. એ પછી
Turn this to- Which one, right?
હા હા કશો નહીં એ 5 વાગે
મમ્મીને પપ્પા ના આવે બાકી એના બદલે આવે હા મારા મામી આવ્યા તમારા મમ્મી પપ્પા ના આવે
આમાં કરો તમે ચલો પિતા કરે પેલું
એ
છેલ્લે કરશે.
ના, એ કરશે મોટા કરશે હા એ પહેલા કરશે
That's good. Just want to get the baby in there.
Make sure you take care of my baby.
You're telling your mommy that?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't tell her again.
Mami, baby ne સંભાળજો.
આઈ નો હું સંભાળી તું ચિંતા ન કર બધું જ છે
હા
She's like
પછી થોડું રહેવા દે
મારા ખોરાક થોડું રાઈસ લેવા હા
Nora's gonna be like
I'm like, having all this effort on it.
Okay, I don't know. I'm watching it. I think it was slow. આ તો ઊભી થઈ જા આ રહીને ઊભી થઈ જા હવે તારે બધું જ આમાં તારે બીજાને મૂકવી પડશે
થોડું રહેવા દે
ઊભી થઈ જા ઓપન થઈ જા હા એને સારી બહુ ઊંચી છે હા ઓકે આ તું એક ઓપન કરતાનું છે છેડો બોલ
ધીમે ધીમે.
નાનું નાનું બધું ના હાથેથી મૂક બેટા એક હાથથી બીજો પકડાય ચાલો તમે આમ રહે તો બધાને દેખાય હા એક બે મિનિટ શું તું આમાં
મૂક્યો મમ્મી ગયો મૂક્યો આપણે
આઈ બધું ધીરે ધીરે પછી તારા ખોરાક જે થઈ તરત થઈ જાય
અરે ઘણા લોકો તો પગલા બી પગલા પોળા કરીને ભરવાના આખું ચાલવાનું
બધું તારે ધીરે ધીરે મૂકવું પડશે બેટા અને પછી ચોખા મૂકીને ધીરે ધીરે
It's supposed to turn on.
એ લાઈક એક પગ કરે
really?
ને
But they
પછી
say- I'll go get the guy.
પછી એ પગલાને કંકુવાળા પછી બીજામાં જવું
અને ધીરે ધીરે બધું લાવવાનું ધીરે ધીરે આવે છે નીચું કર
Majority of the time
અને સેજ ચોખાડવા
depends on the
દે
tradition. I have seen my in-law had that tradition. So she depends. So from my neighbors, she walked to her house like that.
બસ એટલા રવા દે ઓકે એટલા રવા દે એવરી ટાઈમ તારે થોડા
You can't really see. You cannot
હા હવે બેસી જા
So you need
તું
to
બેસી જા
for that.
આવું નથી લે તારે ધોવા ધોવામાંથી છે પછી ધોવા પછી ધોવા પછી 5 વાર કરવાના ને તારે પહેલું નારિયેળ મૂકવાનું પછી આ બધું મૂકી દે અને તારે
You ready for this?
ધીરે ધીરે બધા ચોખા વાળવાના એક બે ચોખા રાખ્યા છે શેરની ચોખા હાથથી લઈ થોડા વધારે છે કારણ કે 5 વાર રાખવા પડશે
Just keep it for 5 different people. So I'm gonna add up.
થોડા થોડા રાખવાના છે બસ હવે બે જાય ધીરે ધીરે મૂકી પછી ધીરે ધીરે રાખવાનું પકડજો બધું મૂકી દેવાનું ઓકે
Only not too much.
we put everything
Don't crush the baby.
Children in Africa are starving.
અંદર બેબી ચોખા ખાય છે
Oh, teman muka pada.
આજે રાઈસ ખાય છે
Yes, I just like what
Slide it.
we're going.
Slide it.
Just like it.
ધીરે ધીરે slide it.
Ikut dah orang akis ni.
એક જ દાણો નાખો. Okay. હવે મારો yeah.
Just take it from here.
હવે
અહીંયા ભરાઈ ગયું.
એ બધું તું આ મૂકી છાપડી બેટા અને આ બધું એ ઊભી થાય ને એટલે તારા મૂકી દેશે પછી નાળિયેર લઈ મૂકી દેશે પછી ચોખા રહેશે ઓકે
It started that.
હવે તું જાણે ઊભી થઈ જા તારે 5 વાર ઊભું થવું પડશે બેવું પડશે ઓકે
Are you okay with the sari?
ઓકે આ લેવું જરૂર છે એક બાજુમાં એટલું નાળિયેર લાય ના હાથી હાથી
Akash, she's ready.
ખબર છે એ?
એક ભાઈ એવું કરે છે કે સપોર્ટ રહે એટલે એને બિચારી નાળિયેર લઈ લે બધું છે ને બધું પહેલા મૂકી દે એટલે તને ઈઝી પડે બધું બધું મૂકી દે હવે ધીરે 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 બધું એસે જ આખું કરજે એને ફાવે નીચે પર એને ફાવે
આકાશે ચાલુ જ છે.
અને સીધા આટલા થવા દેજો ઓકે
મને હેલ્પ કરી શકો?
ના એની જાતે નહીં પડે
Keep going. You saw how you left it in your inner.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, bye.
They don't want to see my butt.
They called to say she's in front of the camera.
Who was that?
My dad.
They knew it was me. They could recognize my butt.
They somehow they recognize me.
That was so funny.
આ ત્રીજી વાર થાય
Did you ever? Yeah. This is first time.
Yeah, third time.
પહેલી વાર એમને કર્યું?
Akash, I'm gonna slap you after this.
હા આ છે
Huh?
I'm slapping you after
બરોબર અહીંયા છે પણ એની
I just slapped you.
this. No, no, no. Yeah, I got you.
You just put it right so she don't faint. That's all. If you can see all the fingers,
Yep, and she's good.
that's good.
તમે બીજી વાર
So brother's here today, but he can't do anything about it.
Take this. And I very slowly do it. I like shoot you.
That's just cousins.
બરોબર કરે છે બેબી બરોબર કરીએ છે બેબી
She's got away.
ઓકે હાથ નાખજો
Boys are allowed now.
તમે શું કાકા જાઓ
He's worried that we're gonna hurt the baby.
એની બચ્ચું ઉપર કરે નહીં આમાં જેમને કરવાનું કોઈ એવા છોકરો સવા તો પતી ગઈ બેન હા બધી પાસે ના મારે રાખવાનું છે બેબી સાથે આપે ગાડી
It's gonna be an all
I'm the unlucky one.
બધા પોતાના પૈસા
જો એ ઉન્નત ટેલિફોન નહોતું કરું
મેં કાઢી દો ને થોડી ચા તારે કાઢી અને આકાશને કાલે સીતા આકાશે તું કાઢી
You got everything.
You like how they're coming out?
Okay. Now she gives it back to
જો
you.
મૂકી લેજો બસ
Wait, let me show that.
હા કરીશ
મૂકી લેજો
તમે લોકો છો.
ઓકે હવે હા પડતા અને નારિયેળ લઈ પહેલા લગાવી
I can do some work to Grace.
આ કર આ કરે આ ગાઈસ કરવાનું બધું
No, એટલે કે આવડી ગયો હવે આવડી ગયો
એક નારિયેળ તો બહુ મોટું છે
નારિયેળ heavy છે
બહુ હેવી લાગે છે આ પાછું લાવવાનું
It's gonna be good to be healthy baby.
પ્રોટીન આવશે ચિંતા ન કરતા હેલ્ધી બેબી જ
નહીં તો પછી રિયાન કે સાથ મૂકી દેજો.
I know too much for now. All right, ready, Bryce? છોકરા આવે તો ભૂલી ના જાય પછી આવે હવે ચિંતા નહીં આવે તે કહે છે શીખવાડે છે તે કઈ કહી તો ટોર્ચ ના પહેલા તો અલ્ટિમેટ લાગ કરાવે અલ્ટો ભાઈ મૂવી લાગે હા એટલે નહીં કરતા મેં નથી
They don't want to see my butt.
બાકી લગાડે હા
સારી બધી ગંદી થાય
ફરી તમે લોકો જ કરાવી દો પછી એમને કરે ભેગા ફાઈ ટાઈમ કામ કરશે આરતી કરે યા કે જે કોઈ ભેગા માટે ભેગા ના તમારે ના મટા થાય
તો પછી તમે
સો મે જો કે ભેગા યા તું જોવાનો
તમે બંને જોડે
She's just got married. She told me. She said it's
Hung got the door. Hey, you gotta take the torch now. Jordy, you remember all these things, okay? Jehani ne apna badda ne pach karavta var apne.
Yeah. By the way, your deposit checked in cash.
Which one?
The one you gave me initial deposit, it in cash.
Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah,
No. We'll look at next week happens.
it bounced.
Guys, I can't wait.
No cash, no product, right?
Do you have to touch your face or anything, or just automatic?
Huh? No, it's automatic.
You should do it real quick.
It's continuous focus now.
You already set up all the autofocus and all that?
I said it to work like a phone.
She's safe. ચલો તમે બંને પકડો અને કરો પછી હું આપું છું લાકડી મારા પર્સમાં છે રાત્રિ એ લઈ મને આપી છે ગીતાબેને
You're the worst luck today. You're the worst luck today. Versus fight. You guys are almost out. Yeah. We did that last night too. Last night we hope to take like we're doing good, right? No problem tomorrow. And if it's like
Does she have to put it back again?
Yes, put it back and just leave it a bit Pella June. That would be the last time.
I think this is enough.
I'll do it now, the last one. I'll do it.
Keep going with it.
But she next time, she just has to keep it and then
Yeah, long time ago.
So, she'll look at it. Stand up and take it.
So what's the meaning? Like they say, don't make me sure it doesn't drop, right?
No, it dropped. Last time it dropped something.
No, not the last time, but all the other times.
Yeah, other time because we keep doing it. So it should drop. It keeps going. And then the rice cake,
Oh, sure.
I give it to you. It's a good one. It's a good one. Yeah. It's a pasta, but it's definitely so it's like she gives you your blessing. Her blessing to you. Yeah. Like the kind of
Contagious.
yeah. Yeah. This was the time I had my baby shower. So oh, it takes time.
Okay.
Over a period of time.
આનો છે ચોખા છે ને તમારી પ્લસ મે પ્લસ ના થોડાક જ મીઠા થોડી ઉભી થઈ જાય ઓ તમારી વાત
બાકી છે હજુ બાકી છે બાકી છે મેં કીધું હજુ બાકી છે ભૂલી ગઈ
Tony was gonna get up. I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, so like alright,
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
હજુ કરી દેજે ને તારા
જોજે આપો મારા નાખતો થાય
Your brother gave me the blessings too.
સોનાની ને ચોકી આજે તમે જેઠાણી દેરાણી ના એક જ હાથે વધવાની આજે તમે નણંદે થઈ ગયા આપણે જેઠાણી થઈ ગયા ને થઈ ગયા રાખડી પૈસા માંગે દાદા નણંદ થયા છે અમે લે આ ચોથી પછી
very chubby chubby. You have a nice delivery. And don't worry, I'm gonna take care. I can adopt the baby. Or I can take. Oh, she's not. You can have it here. Okay.
આ બધું લઈ લો હવે ઊભી થઈ જાય તું જેવી રીતે કરતી તેવી રીતે બાપી જોડે મૂકી દે
અને છેલ્લે થોડા ચોખા નીચે પધરાઈ મૂકી દેવાનું પાલવ અને પછી નીચે પડશે
અને થોડી તો મુંડને ખરાબ મૂકી દેજે
બધા કાઢી લો
એ કાઢે થોડો ખરાબ પેલું સુપર ઓકે તારું છે એટલે એ
I want to picture this. एक second.
I'm cooking it.
Akash knows what it means, right?
No,
Don't carry on.
It means that.
oh, does it? Do it to Dhruva first.
when you put more so she get triplets.
Do it to Dhruva first.
You hate me? No. My body.
Mummy, Dhruva ka de pelo. Pelo Dhruva ka de.
Akash, do you want twins, triplet, quadruplet?
Yes, I want it.
No, no twins.
Okay, he wants twins.
No, no.
2 girls.
Oh, nah.
Boys, maybe that
I want quadruplets.
Another next year will come to your baby shower.
Right.
Twins or
Most
triplets.
welcome. તમારા બેવને લઈને આવજો.
Why do you hate me? Why can't I do one at a
No,
time?
no.
Yes, one time. Okay, one time.
Next June.
થોડાક જ ઓગસ્ટ
I think I'm pardon you.
અને એ તારા ખરાબ રાખ હમણાં અમે રાખડી બધું પહોંચે ચાલે રાખવા પડે હવે તું આ છે
Best જવાની તો પાછી.
અહીંયા
બાંધે ને છેડો. છેડો બાંધે? છેડો. બાંધે પછી zip
નીકળ જીપ છે
Akash,
How can you check if I got the last clip?
after. It's too late.
I might not got it.
તમે આ મોબાઈલ કરી શકતા just decide.
You keep it in the lock. It's actually, I-17.
No, not
I said થોડું પડાઈ દે માર ચડાવી આ માર ચડાવી કેટલા જતી એને રાખડી એને રાખડી કેટલા ચડાવી
Thank you.
રાખડી here થોડું પડા
Okay, look at me.
Thank you. No, it's fine.
ઓકે હવે તું જતી રહે
Same હાથ ઉપર?
yes સેમ જ કરવું પડે
No, I can't.
અમારે તો રિઝોર્ટ કરવાની
Guys, આપણે ધોનીના baby shower પર focus કરીએ, please.
Alright, you guys want to do a photo?
Once it's done,
Alright, look at me, look at me, look at me. Tony.
I'm just thinking of a real good one, so.
Thank you.
હવે ચલો ચલો હવે જોતી હો બરાબર
Alright, let me set up first.
અને સાંભળ આકાશ
Hold on. ખાધું છે બરાબર આકાશ.
મને બોલી છે ઓછું ચોખા
Akash, I'm sitting right behind you. Dhoni, he's gonna make your face dirty.
લઈ લેવાના. એક મિનિટ
એક મિનિટ ચોખા લઈ લેવા પડે એક મિનિટ
Ashish, I have to do it.
સામાન લઈ લેવાના.
અને થોડા મિનિટ રાખવાના
ના, she has to get it from the house. જવાની. But you can take a slap. સ્વીટી જા. કાઢી નાખો. આ લઈ લો.
અને
આખું મોઢા પર કે ચોપડા છે
I think so.
તારે નહીં આ
How is this?
મેન આ હોવું જોઈએ બેટા
So, as I come here, as if
મેન એ હોવું
Joseph
જોઈએ
Animal.
હા હવે છોડી દે એક મિનિટ ઉભા રહો. પેલો ફોટો પાડી હવે છોડ દે બેટા છોડ દે હવે થોડા છોડ દે That's it.
આપણે આ જોવું
એવું નથી ને આપણે
ગીતા કે આવે
એક મિનિટ
અને હવે
આ મૂકી દેજો
અને આ પૂજા
પાછળ
મંદિરમાં પધરાય.
આ પૂજા હા બધા
Akash, I'm standing right behind you.
હવે તું બેસી જા
Embrace the
Hey, I'm staying at Nish's house.
એને નેપકિન જોઈએ
Can't torture me today.
એને નેપકિન આપો ને
Akash, you'll be getting
આકાશને દરદરા છે બધું
નહીં દાદા છોડી 6 દાદા
ના ના ઉભા કરો. એક નેપકિન આલો લઈ જાઓ ગણી જોઈએ છે
આપે દર પૈસા આપે છે બધા
ઓકે આકાશ જો તને બતાવ આમ નહીં પછી કામ કરવું પડશે
ગયું ફરી કર બધું કહી
Don't get all over the face. You guys.
It's good.
જા આ બાજુ હતો તું આ બાજુ હતો ના
આ ઊંધો ઊંધો
પાછો છે
camera.
Yeah, I don't want to get any.
હજુ છે આગો જા
આ જો જોટી વાંચે એ
Akash, I'm gonna get you.
like this બધું આમ કર. અને સાઈ જા
કઈ ગયો
ઉભો રહે. ના, પણ એને પછી એને કરવાનું એટલે that's for fun, yeah.
Yes.
You want to go?
You do it.
I have to do it?
Yes.
I should do
આકાશ
it.
અહીં આય.
Akash, she has to do it to you now.
Oh, she does?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh no, તું રીતે કરે કંકુ વાળા.
Yeah, કંકુ વાળા કરવાના.
You do it with કંકુ.
Oi, Dhwani. Marjana.
I look at Dhwani. Yeah, hit her.
હરી સાઈ જા હવે તાર રાજુ હતું એ બેટા એ ઉન્નતિ ના આપી દે એટલે બગડે નહીં
Mummy, આપી દે.
I'll wait for her.
ઓ યા વેટ
આશીષ એનો ફોટો પાડ.
She makes us recording.
આની આમ ઉભો રહ્યા બેટા આમાં તો નહીં તમે કે એ બધી હવે કરો કે હા સેટ ઠીક
I want everything.
ના મેન આંગળી ચાર આમ હવે તું આમ કર બેટા આમ આગળ
Bend down a little bit, Anish.
ના ઓકે એક
Anish, bend down a little bit.
આયો સાઈડે કરે
Yeah.
ઓકે પછી થોડી થોડી કરજે આલી આલી સેટ આ બાજુ કરીએ વાંધો નહીં
Yeah, I can cut him?
No.
હવે એને કર
Right,
This is the only
This is your chance to get back together.
All the water droplets you got in your bathroom.
એને તો બધું લઈ લીધું
Oh my God. I took it off. I still have some.
ઓકે આકાશ તમે બંને આ બાજુ ફોન જાઓ ફોટા ઉતારવા
The baby need
ના પણ લેવી પડે લઈ આવો પડશે આ તો જડા જડા વાળો લઈ આવવાનો
She has to take a picture.
Should I take Should I take a picture first or no?
આ વાળા છે ગાડી બેવ બાજુ
It's not.
No, okay, one.
કરશો નહીં
Dad, I want you to recording.
It's recording. Oh, okay.
I told her.
Okay, then this is the focus. You know?
પછી આપી દે હવે બસ મને આપી દે
એક મિનિટ હો મને આ બટન સોરી સોરી
બસ અને બેબી બેસાડે ફોટો પડાવી દે અને પછી ગેમ પછી
આઈ હોપ કે આવ્યો હોય ફોટો પ્રેસ ધ પ્લે લોક જોઈ
બોલવાનું જે ખાવું એ ખાતા જાય
Yeah, you got it.
Honey, do you want to do play games first?
ગેમ ફર્સ્ટ ગેમ
જો ધોની બતાવો જો ધોની
Eat as like games, right?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
Nice, very good.
Did everyone even eat breakfast?
We're eating first.
Did you guys eat breakfast?
Somewhat. Should we eat first?
Let's eat first. Yeah.
Oh, Twenty's coming, baby 20. Look at her. Freya. Start. Motivate. Freya. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. It's like I was sleeping
ઓકે
peacefully.
આપી દઉં છું
Hi.
હેલો ફોટો પાડે છે અને કઈ ગયો
અનીસા આવશે હાથવા ગયો છે
પછી માં પાડે બેબી મૂકી દો ઓ બેબી મૂકી દો ચાલો
Baby, બીજો ફોટો પડાવવા છે.
હા પડ 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 બેબી લઈ જાવ
તો કોઈ પાડો ફોરમાંથી નહીં બરાબર પડે.
So babies have to.
પહેલા આ બે હાથ
ખોળામાં બેસાડું છોકરા
હા બેસાડે
Yeah, that's what
હા.
ઉપર એને ઊભું કરે વચ્ચે બેઠા ના ના લાવું જાવ
Can you see the ears? You can look at your ears.
Everyone is saying this.
બેવને મારા ફટી
If you were like
ફોટો પાછી
Unnati, move.
Yeah, that's true.
That zoom, nobody can see.
Oh wait, no one can see the screen. You're in the way.
You could just move the phone. Unnati.
બેવને બેસાડે રાઈટ
You can eat this. You can take it.
She's not interested.
That's okay, don't really.
1, 2, 3. It's okay.
કોપી છે
I know. She's my favorite.
Hey! Hey!
તારી ગર્લફ્રેન્ડ બોલાવે જો ધ્રુવા તારી ગર્લફ્રેન્ડ બોલાવે
Basanti number.
ધ્રુવા લઈ લે છોનો લાગે
I can't say Basanti.
આનો પણ નહીં પડાવે
Never go off.
લે હું નથી બેટા
But she's just looking at me. She's like, what is this?
Sorry, Dwani.
ઓકે ફોટો પર લઈ જાય
The one time you had to smile, Arush. One time. The one time.
Take me, okay? Alright, Thorny, look here. Meet the mommy, Jojo. Smile करो
Smile.
હા બેની સ્માઈલ હરકી છે
हाँ, एक smile છે.
ડિમ્પલ વાળી એક બાજુ ઊંચા
Oh, we're supposed to do that.
આપી દો ફોટો પડાવી દો
Got it out of Vegas.
ફોટો પડાવી દો
Alright, look here, look here.
તમે એવું કરો તમે બે પડાવી લાવું ચાલો તમારો ઉભા રહો જાણે મમ્મીને આવે છે પછી લાવો તમે ચાલો એન્વોલપ ને બધું આર્ય ચાલો ઓય એને લાવો કે જવું છે લઈ ફોટો પડાવ
Leave it after you.
ચાલો
Do you have a bag or you're going to get top question?
First, yeah.
પછી તમે લાવું ચાલો
Oh, you want one? You want candy?
David, are you guys gonna be in the picture? Yeah. Get closer. Get closer. Get a lot closer. Get keep going.
When you hold it down, you can't see it. There you go.
Hang on. Alright, you guys all look here at the same time, okay? 3, 2, 1.
I love her. She looks dead at the camera. Honest, are you going? Is that
Yeah.
automatic?
This one is.
Just so I could take a family
Tell you what,
picture.
I'll stand here.
Okay.
This is wide angle, so it's in focus.
Okay.
All you're gonna have to do is just hit the trigger from here, okay?
Alright, Unnati, move to the left a little bit.
પછી એવું કરીએ
That's fine. I'll move here, move, you move.
ઓકે આપણે ચાર ચાલો જતી જાઓ ઓકે આકાશ ધ્રુવાની ધ્રુવા સોરી તમારે લાવો એમ નહીં આવું હોય બરોબર જાઓ
Yeah.
Like the flash?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
આયો
Alright.
ઓકે આવી જાઓ ચલો આકાશ ધ્રુવા
I'll crop it in or whatever.
तुम्हें भी 500 रुपया ऊंचा है ये ऊपर बात तेरे वाला खासे बस Si puede, ¿de qué me?
Let me do another one of those. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, we got that. I got you. Thanks.
Nisha is his mom.
Don't mind.
तेरे सपनों का संसार संवरने वाला है सुना है आसमां से चाँद उतरने वाला है अपने आंगन में सितारों को सजाए रखना अपनी गोद में बहारों को बिछाए रखना हाँ एक नन्हा सा मेहमान आने वाला है नन्हा सा मेहमान आने वाला है गोद में तेरी भरी मिठाई जैसा मीठा होगा हो गोद में तेरे भरी फलों के जैसा रसीला होगा हो होगी तेरी छवि या मेरे मुन्ना जैसा होगा हो व्याकुल है नैना कि नन्हा मेहमान कैसा होगा हो कि अपने आंगना में दीप नया जलने वाला है कि नन्हे कदमों से कोई छम छम चलने वाला है हाँ एक नन्हा सा मेहमान आने वाला है हाँ एक नन्हा सा मेहमान आने वाला तेरे सपनों का संसार संवरने वाला है सुना है आसमां से चाँद उतरने वाला है अपने आंगन में सितारों को सजाए रखना अपनी गोद में बहारों को बिछाए रखना हाँ एक नन्हा सा मेहमान आने वाला है नन्हा सा मेहमान आने वाला है
Can I have everyone's attention? Sorry. So I'm just gonna explain the first game. So we're gonna pass around the diapers. Everyone is gonna guess how the poop smells like.
So is it, so which baby's poop is it? Is it?
No, that's not. It's any candy. You have to just smell and let us know what it smells like. And
Why you
we're
have a mask
gonna
on?
pass around pen and this cards. You can write it on there. You don't have to say it out loud. And at the end, we'll see whoever has the most correct one will win the game.
What did you say, delicious?
Aha. Delicious is not a candy.
That's not a candy, Dad.
I'm sure I'm gonna win it. I gotta.
If you win, you're not getting it. Make sure you're not getting it. Yeah. Whoever has the most right wins. તમને દેખો હોય ને તમે તમને કઈ કેન્ડી ના જેવું લાગે છે અને એ કેન્ડી નામ લખો આ ડાયપર નંબર છે my name in the back?
Nah,
No, that's fine.
So how do you know?
How do you know? Because you're going to tell me afterwards. I'm going to get it from you.
Okay.
So you put like number one. What candy do you think this is?
Okay. Okay, I got it.
We're not playing together.
No candy in this. This is
Yes.
This is a competition.
Okay, her one's funny. This is funny.
मेरा budget रखा होगा.
Did you guys ever think poop smells this good?
It makes spacious 7.
Who is most likely to wake up in the middle of the night to change diapers? You can't see. You can't see what the other person's saying. She knows. Who will, second question is, who will spoil the kid the most?
That's fair.
Should we tell them? Go on. Turn around.
Oh yeah, the last question is you both thought it was you. Like each other, to each other, yeah. You thought it was gonna be her, you thought it was gonna be you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This one, it was a shish.
Third question is, who will be the more strict parent? She's thinking. Who is more likely to cry when the kid cries?
Ashish.
Who will be the more fun parent?
Turn around.
Who will sing the most lullabies? Who will be more nervous when contractions start?
Ashish.
Does anyone else have any questions for them? Baby related?
Come on, guys.
The parents, you guys have any questions?
Those were the questions. ये कैसे पूछो?
No one's gonna hit the baby.
Hey, who's gonna change the diaper at midnight?
We said
No,
that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, two?
Who's gonna take doctor's appointment?
By the way, these are votes. I'm not doing it.
That was a good question, Auntie. Bhumi, any question you can think of?
Make the diaper.
Alright, okay, who's gonna have the talk with the baby?
You both wanted precious.
Who will discipline the baby?
Why are you gonna discipline a baby, man? Wait till they're old.
That's all I have.
ना अभी है ना कि तो अभी कम ये पड़े ना ना
Using her engineering skills. But that's
Oh,
I can play this too, right?
जो
It will not hide. No.
नहीं એવું હોય બેટા પોપટા સાથે ના આપવાનું હોય પછી એને જોવાનું યા એવી તા હોય
Anesh, let's measure. Let's measure our bellies.
Do you want to guess?
Sure. What about that?
Right here?
Okay.
Do you want to guess, Akash?
Yes.
You won the prize for kids' baby shower for this.
આકાશ લાઈફ સાઈઝ કરી
Are you measuring your own belly?
I'm happy.
Okay, then. Okay, there's this one. Oh, you want that? You just want that one? Okay.
No, it's just this one.
Is that a size negative too?
Oh my god, that's so
This is her waist, not the baby's waist.
Oh, is that the baby's weight?
Yeah.
It does seem too long now.
You can't change it.
I'm gonna go there.
He measured it.
Oh, we're not measuring ourselves?
You can measure yourself.
Always whoever gets closest to.
You can measure yourself.
He's just eyeballing it. There is no.
There you go.
Okay.
I think that's actually.
Perfect. Is that what you got?
I'll play too.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
They punted the ball, the Raiders did. And my parents are the Redskins have one.
Yeah.
My mom didn't do any cheating. She stopped drinking coffee. Stopped everything.
Perfect. It's not really good.
Oh,
wow. Oh, wow.
Wait a minute.
Very close.
Yeah, that's not nice control.
Yeah, નીચે કરો પડશે થોડું.
Yeah, નીચે કરો.
Oh my, જે ફિટ થાય ત્યાંથી લઈ જવાનું.
You're right.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh,
That is perfect. perfect.
You're close.
Close, okay? What am I saying?
No, you have this much extra.
Oh.
So yeah, I'm पकड़ी उबारो.
Okay,
Right here.
तो कोई ना हो तो जीती.
Yes. No cheating. No cheating.
No, I'm not cheating.
Here goes. You're पाँच Yes. Oh, this one's too
Too tight?
close.
Too close?
No.
No, it's big. It's big.
It's too big.
It is big.
Whose is that?
Mine.
Here mine. हाँ तो परफेक्ट है ना ना हो साड़ी पहनेंगे सवार में हाँ पर साड़ी पहनेंगे मुझे थोड़ा
Seriously.
We got one of they cheated.
It's big too.
It's big.
It's big.
There you go. Mine is perfect. Yeah. दारू बरोबर है.
Such a cheater.
Last piece did it.
Too small.
Let me do it. Rish,
तू ले लेने जाओगे. ले हम रेन करो.
Oh.
Oh wow! Akas!
It's like literally perfect.
Perfect.
Can you not measure yourself?
Give me gift. Give me.
Three, go.
हाँ बड़ा आपको जोड़ दे.
तू पकड़ने?
Oh, he's smart. I see what he's doing. Oh.
Hurry. आकाश जल्दी बनते क्यों? दस दीजिए.
तू बनते
Just keep your eye on me.
I can't. What if you made me turn around?
Yeah. Wrong time.
One chair that.
Let's get going now. Hurry, start.
Cheat like that.
You're an old man.
One chair. One chair.
One chair.
Look at it.
of the circle. So you put that in the middle.
This right?
Yeah.
I was, but there's a lot of people that I could.
Yeah. You can get it there. Right now. Go ahead.
Like,